It's 2:30 in the afternoon. People are trying to sleep.
Huh?
Since my lair is full of 100% certified evil spirits, I had to sell the place to Barker. Looks like we're gonna be beach buddies.
No! Okay, we're going to get to the bottom of... What's going on here?
Welcome, thrill seekers, to the most fear-inducing attraction yet, the deadly Lair.
Have you gone mad? You'll anger the spirit world again.
Don't be daft, egghead. Barker conned you. He was just looking for a bigger, better venue for his attraction. I'll show you.
Huh?
That'll be $50. Each.